Recoveryfix Converter for EML is an efficient tool that helps in converting your EML files to PST in several other formats like PDF, doc, docs, MSG, and HTML. The prime goal is to make your email items in your mailbox more accessible. It allows access to the items even if you do not have an email client installed on your system. This EML to PST converter will export your files without manipulating the data, keeping the original structure as it is. The tool is user-friendly, making the process of conversion straightforward. Let's learn how to convert EML files to PST using Recoveryfix Converter for EML. Press the Windows +Q key and type Recoveryfix Converter for EML. Launch the tool. This will take you to the welcome screen of the EML to PST converter tool. You'll see a plus sign on the screen. Click on that, and you can add the root folder to the list. This will bring your selected EML files to the tool. Now click on Set Filter and migrate to implement filters according to the received date, sent date, and created date. Note, in this tool, we are not filtering the data, so we will skip applying a filter to it. Now click on Start Migration, and then you will reach a new wizard showing you multiple output types such as PDF, PST, doc, docs, and HTML, and others. Since we are converting our EML files to PST, we will take PST as the output type. Now, browse and specify the destination path of the new PST files in your local computer and then press OK. This will initiate the conversion of your EML files to PST, and as soon as the process finishes, you'll see a pop-up window saying, File conversion is successful. Press OK and it will finish the process. Your files are now converted to PST format, and you can use your MS Outlook email client to access your emails and other mailbox elements. To learn more about our tool in detail, you can visit the following link to our website. Have a great day.